Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly from their digital wallets. With its user-friendly interface and transparent trading system, Uniswap has gained significant popularity within the decentralized finance (DeFi) space. In this article, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to use Uniswap to engage in token trading and participate in the world of decentralized finance. Step 1. Setting up a wallet. To begin using Uniswap, you will need an Ethereum wallet that supports ERC20 tokens. Popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Choose a wallet, install the necessary browser extension or mobile app, and create a new wallet or import an existing one. Step 2. Accessing Uniswap. Once your wallet is set up, visit the Uniswap website, app.uniswap.org, using a compatible web browser. Make sure you are on the official Uniswap website to avoid any potential phishing attempts or scams. Step 3. Connecting your wallet. Click on the Connect to a Wallet button on the top right corner of the Uniswap interface. Select your wallet provider and follow the prompts to connect your wallet to Uniswap. This step will enable Uniswap to access your wallet address for trading purposes. Step 4. Selecting a token. On the Uniswap interface, you will see a list of available tokens. You can choose a token that you want to trade or provide liquidity for. Alternatively, you can manually enter the contract address of a specific token if it's not listed. Step 5. Trading tokens. To trade tokens on Uniswap, select the token pair you wish to trade. For example, ETH/DAI represents the exchange rate between Ethereum and DAI stablecoin. Enter the amount you want to trade or specify the exact amount of tokens you wish to receive. Uniswap will automatically calculate the conversion based on the available liquidity and prevailing market rates. Step 6. Confirming the transaction. Review the transaction details, including the estimated gas fees required for the trade. Gas fees cover the computational power required to process and validate transactions on the Ethereum network. Click Confirm and follow the instructions provided by your wallet to complete the transaction. Step 7. Monitoring the transaction. After confirming the transaction, you can monitor its progress on the Ethereum blockchain using blockchain explorers like Etherscan. Depending on network congestion, the transaction may take some time to be processed and confirmed. Step 8. Adding liquidity. If you want to provide liquidity to Uniswap and earn fees in return, you can do so by selecting the Pool tab on the Uniswap interface. Choose the tokens you want to provide liquidity for and follow the instructions to complete the process. Keep in mind that providing liquidity involves both the token you want to contribute and an equivalent value of another token in the selected pool. Conclusion. Uniswap has emerged as a user-friendly and accessible platform for decentralized token trading. By following these steps, you can begin trading tokens on Uniswap and participate in the world of decentralized finance. Remember to exercise caution, do thorough research, and be mindful of the risks associated with decentralized exchanges. Happy trading!